Exit right, later 54, Highway 64.
Oh, you're an idiot.
Edmonton, yellow trail. And stay to the left.
Hey, are you drunk? Jesus Christ! That was red. What the fuck are you doing?
Here, she says, can I please get a shout out to my wife?
This guy just left his door open.
You got a lie, you got up in your game when you cannot say my name. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act strange. It's over, it's holding back me. We said everything to me, so I need you. If somebody can and tell me who. I heat up, I can't cool down.
You completely ran the right on red.
Round and round, round and round. Swing it over here, Mr. DJ, and we will.
Nope, don't do it. No, you just did it. Oh my, and you did it too. The red light applies to you too, you fucking moron. Yeah, you fucking moron. Oh my god. It's not working because it's like completely smashed. You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. You are totally speeding.
Turn right on 99th Street Northwest.
Completely failed to yield.
I just pulled up to a light, and I could see the people in the car beside me singing Poker Face. Oh, yes.
In
I've
300
been caught
meters.
singing a Lady
Turn
Gaga
left.
song as well.
This guy behind me is just blocking the entire road.
Bubble entries on them on the front, all these buttons, but I couldn't find one I liked because so many bad reviews are out there, so I did the opposite. I bought a 1982.
Turn left on Highway 40.
That had about 500
$500 worth of points on it that they never tried to redeem. Why wouldn't they just go gain some
You're a
points?
fucking
Like,
bitch.
come on. They could have used them at Independent, No Frills,
Yeah.
store, you know?
There's so many
Yeah,
places.
look how far
where
you
could've
got.
used those stolen goods,
Stupid
and they didn't.
motherfucking
But then
bitch.
Everywhere.
it's kind of funny because
Aw, Shayla May, how old were you when that happened?
I think I was like 6,
You're 6. How old are you now?
7, and turning 8
Oh.
on the 3rd.
On the 3rd? Your birthday's coming up.
Yeah, and Mommy's birthday's on the 2nd.
Jesus Christ!
Just a mess.
That's a
Of
couple
course
solid
we
white
did.
line.
We've been together on St. Albert Trail. Thanks for the shared hand clap. They were
Oh
rocking
my
out
god,
together
what
back when
is
hand
this
clap was
person
on.
doing?
Guy in the black truck says she's rocking.
Is that really a good pickup location? This is like a 70 zone.
Well, I do, so him and you too. But the point being that Will Smith doesn't have to cuss in his rap to sell records, so my hope is that this song does not have any there. And they're still, the 2 girls are still very sick. My oldest woke up from a 5-hour nap.
5 hours.
She slept for
That's
5
a
hours
nice
because she's
nap.
just exhausted. But yeah, it is.
Jesus
She's kind of
fucking
like a 5-hour
Christ.
nap.
5 hours.
She slept for
That's
5
a
hours
nice
because she's
nap.
just exhausted. But yeah, it is.
Jesus
She's kind of
fucking
like
400
Oh.
meters.
living the life.
Turn
She's
left
kind of
on
living the
Rapperswil
life right now.
Highway.
Oh, getting tucked in.
Getting
They're
food
sleeping
brought
in our
you?
bed, which they never get to sleep in
5-hour
bed.
naps.
5-hour nap.
New vehicle limited warranty.
And instead of this,
5-year roadside assistance?
you get this.
10-year roadside assistance. This no-charge extended warranty is something you
You
don't
are
want to miss.
So hurry in. Mitsubishi Motors. Built better, back better. Just...
Oh, nice. Winker. Oh my god. You did not need to swing that wide. That was totally red.
Out of shampoo and conditioner. Gee, I seem to run out of everything at once.
Nice signal.
No body wash either, eh?
Sun's up.
Right through supper time,
Yum's up.
all the way to turning the TV off and the night lights on. Switch your home's electricity and natural gas to ACO Energy
You
and start
fucking
saving. Plus get
idiot.
a $100 grocery card just for signing up.
Double thumbs up.
Switch today at ACOEnergy.com.
Just a little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. We got a text message for a now. Wow, here we go.
Really? Now you're gonna hit your brakes?
Now, wow. Steve from Edmonton, you're bringing
Fucking
back
asshole.
some old throwback vibes.
In the background.
This is the Juliet Nunes Show with Raj. Join the conversation. Now radio.
Now I see what you're talking about.
You
We're
do not need to turn that
birthday
wide.
crushes. I did say,
Jesus.
Dimitri from NSC.
Oh. I was awfully close to that person.
Right? It's like a band
Turn
that's
right,
edgy, just
then
taking
turn
a slower song and then trying to sound artistic with it.
Yeah, that was... You totally ran that. That was what is going on with people? Everyone's like pulling over on the side of the road today.
Financing available, OAC.
Another feel-better moment from Rexall.
Please, no more.
Oh, come on. With such a great deal on Pantene and Listerine this week at Rexall, we've got to stock.
Check this out. I did the reverse. My front load washer died after 14 years. That's a lot of service. Way to go, front load washer. I researched all the shiny new ones. Samsung, Maytag.